Hello, CNG 132 Online. It's your instructor, George Lemos. As I was working my way through the practice lab, um, make sure to have some patience with this. This is a virtual environment, somewhere hosted somewhere else. I did have one issue with it to where I had to wait for one of my machines, which seemed like a little bit of an issue. I had to power it on. It said busy, took a little bit, but finally powered on. Um, Make sure to read the directions step by step. Do not skip over words. Take your time. I think you'll move quicker than just trying to hustle through it and evaluate um, what the sentence is trying to say. Make sure you look at the screenshots with it. Um, but other than that, this is a really cool lab to where you're um, looking at Trojans and how they can look like a piece of software, um, act like a piece of software, but actually be something entirely different. If you have any questions about that, feel free to contact me. If you have any technical questions that need technical support, please reach out to MindTap. They do answer the phones relatively quickly and they help you navigate through your issues fairly well. But other than that, so I started doing the walkthrough for um, where was that? The keylogger, Spirix keylogger. I did the entire lab, which is really fun, but I forgot how much information it shows of your computer and everything else. And I thought, maybe I shouldn't be loading all this to YouTube, since anyone on YouTube can actually take a look at that video and see that information. So I decided not to. If you wanted to, I would give you extra credit for doing the Spirix lab. You can try to do it on your virtual machine. I'm almost 100% positive it will work. I'm positive it will work, but you do have to sign up for it. Make sure you make your passwords easy to remember when your passwords that have to deal with being on your computer. I would use password 01, password 1, something very similar, easy to remember, just in case you forget what it is. When you do sign up for the Spirix account, it's only good for 5 days for free. But when you sign up for that one, probably don't use an easy to remember password. Probably write something down, maybe a one time off kind of password that's complicated to use, that will be harder to crack in any case. You'll get a kick out of that lab. Once again, that software is super powerful. Make sure you uninstall it after the lab, because once you get past the 5 days, it always wants you to buy the next one. So simply remove that software when you're done using it, because you don't want the pop-ups of always buying it. And it'll ask you for the machine password, which should be the easiest one to uninstall again. Should be the easiest one to remember, and then uninstall the Spirix. Once again, extra credit for those of you that want to attempt it. Just in case you missed an assignment for the previous week, this would be a good time to take advantage of the extra credit, because it keeps you in the realm of actually getting the automatic A, since you have points. Technically, if you were to assign those extra credit points, you would have points in everything, and still be eligible for that automatic A. I'll check in Wednesday. Have a good afternoon. See you guys again.